我们是马来西亚人，我们也没有来过 KL Bird Park， 只有外国人来的时候，我们才有机会一起来。Andrew can communicate with the birds. Chicks, baby chicks. Okay, Andrew just helped peel the whole nangka, and now he's eating. Is this your first time? How is it?
Very sweet.
Very sweet.
Yummy.
Is it difficult to peel?
It's not easy. Not easy. That's not easy.
Flashback. Later.
Okay, so I had class today. It's Thursday, and I was supposed to go to uni, but our class suddenly cancelled, so I'm going to the bird park with them. Let's go. We're here, bird park. Okay, you like third wheel. Yeah, driver, cameraman. 包山包海 Yeah, so 我们是马来西亚人，我们也没有来过 KL Bird Park， 只有外国人来的时候，我们才有机会一起来。I'm a bird. Andrew can communicate with the birds. Great hornbill down there. Yes, Andrew.
Yes. Thank you. Come bird, come.
Oh.
Up.
Hello. Hey, kawan. Peasant. Laughing thrush. Open your wings. Open. Hey. Bird school. I hope there's aircon inside.
Yay!
Yes, there's aircon inside. Let's stay here. Did you know ostriches' eyes are larger than their brains? Bird school. Education station. More aircon. It's so hot. Baby chicks. Baby chicks.
Yeah.
Bird gallery.
There's AC.
AC. Please do not touch. Southern cassowaries. They're huge. Hello. Hello. What are you? They have red eyes. Storks, I guess. OK， 我们结束了，现在要出去 to this gift shop.
AC.
AC, yes. Okay, we're done with the bird park, and where are we going next?
Petaling.
Lala 米粉
Lala Mi Fen, yeah, Petaling Street.
Yes.
Okay, so let's go. Okay, we are now at Central Market, and 我们现在要去吃麻辣米粉。因为我上一次来的就是那间。哎，原来那个麻辣米粉没有在刚才那个茶室了，它好像搬出来了，所以我们现在再走去另外一间麻辣米粉。啊，原来他搬来这里了。哇，2年多没有来这个地方了。上一次他在那个茶室那边，还有鸡饭可以叫，这边只有海鲜，然后我海鲜过敏，所以我要叫辣辣米粉，然后辣辣全部给他。赚到了你。And I'm gonna eat 米粉高松。Andrew, what was your favorite attraction of the bird park?
I enjoyed the peacock.
The peacock?
Peacock. Air conditioning in the small places.
That was my favorite part of the bird park. The bird school.
The AC.
Bird school.
Oh, the little chickens. The
Yeah,
baby
the little chicks.
Baby chicks.
So was it worth 75 ringgit to go in?
I'd probably say more like 50.
Or like 50?
I
Right.
think 50 would be pushing it.
Mm.
Yeah, 75 just because I'm not
Citizen.
citizen.
Yeah, no my card. Okay, we're done with lunch and now we're going to Rex KL bookstore. Book access. Okay, we're at Petaling Street. Oh, it's really too hot now, so we're going for dessert.
Yeah.
现在是下午2点，然后我把他们丢在 Central Market， 他们等一下自己坐火车去 KLCC、Pavilion 之类的。我没有兴趣去的地方，因为KL 人是不会去那种地方的。所以呢，现在我是自己回家赶我的 Final Year Project。OK， 明天见，拜拜。哇啦，2点半了，为什么 Auckland Road 几点都塞车了？唉，2点50，终于到家了。5分钟从 Petaling Street 去到 Auckland Road， 然后 Auckland Road 塞了45分钟，原来是不中路口的交通灯坏了。Yeah, we have another bird in the car. 2 birds.